Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting matchups in modern military aviation, 5th generation versus 6th generation fighter jets, and what's coming next in the world of air dominance. With cutting-edge technology evolving faster than ever, the differences between these generations aren't just cosmetic, they're reshaping how wars might be fought in the skies of tomorrow. From the outside, both 5th and 6th generation fighters embrace stealth as a core feature. 5th-gen aircraft like the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II feature angular designs, internal weapon bays, and radar-absorbing materials to minimize their visibility. These designs prioritize dogfight agility and low observability. In contrast, 6th-gen prototypes such as the US NG-80, Europe's FCAS, and the UK's Tempest project push this even further with sleeker bodies, blended wings, and adaptive skins capable of changing shape or electromagnetic properties. The 6th-gen exterior focuses on full-spectrum stealth, which includes radar, infrared, visual, and even acoustic stealth capabilities. These aircraft are built not just to be hard to see, but nearly impossible to detect. Inside, 5th-gen cockpits are advanced, featuring glass displays, helmet-mounted systems, and AI-assisted targeting. But 6th-gen interiors will likely remove traditional displays entirely. Pilots will wear AR helmets, giving them a 360-degree digital view of the battlespace, fed by AI and sensor fusion. The idea is to make the pilot more of a battle manager than a stick and rudder flyer. Many 6th-gen jets may even be optionally manned or completely autonomous, transforming the very role of a cockpit. In terms of performance, 5th-generation fighters like the F-22 and Su-57 deliver supercruise capabilities, thrust vectoring, and integrated avionics. These jets are agile and deadly, optimized for both close and beyond visual range combat. However, 6th-generation jets aim to leap beyond that. They'll likely feature adaptive cycle engines for longer range and higher speeds, combined with AI-managed flight control systems. These fighters could seamlessly network with drones and satellites to create a full air dominance ecosystem. They won't just fly faster or farther, they'll think faster, react faster, and operate in a hyper-connected combat cloud. When it comes to safety, 5th-gen jets introduced significant survivability improvements. Their stealth and sensor systems give pilots better situational awareness, making them less likely to be ambushed. However, 6th-gen fighters are expected to take survivability to a new level. From advanced jamming capabilities in cyber protection to electronic warfare suites that can blind enemy radar and spoof incoming missiles, these aircraft will be designed to evade, confuse, and outfight the enemy without even being seen. Autonomy and AI will also allow the aircraft to handle emergencies or continue missions if the pilot is incapacitated. What sets the 6th generation apart uniquely is the focus on teamwork. These jets won't fly alone. They will command drone wingmen known as loyal wingmen, which will perform missions like scouting, jamming, or even sacrificial defense. This expands combat capability exponentially. Another unique feature is cognitive AI, which not only assists the pilot but learns and adapts during missions. Furthermore, 6th-gen fighters are being designed from day one to dominate across multiple domains, air, cyber, and electronic, making them digital warriors as much as aerial ones. In terms of cost, 5th-generation fighters already broke the bank. The F-35, for instance, has a per-unit cost of around $80 million, and that's after years of cost reductions. Maintenance is expensive due to stealth coatings and complex systems. With 6th-generation jets, costs are expected to be even higher, potentially over $200 million per aircraft due to the integration of next-gen tech and AI systems. However, modular designs and digital twin manufacturing could help reduce lifetime costs. Additionally, using drone fleets alongside fewer piloted jets may help balance the economic scale of future air forces. To conclude, the evolution from 5th to 6th generation fighters isn't just a technological upgrade, it's a transformation in how air superiority is achieved. While 5th-gen aircraft gave nations a massive edge in stealth, situational awareness, and multi-role capabilities, 6th-gen fighters will lead a connected, intelligent, and increasingly unmanned battlefield. Their power lies not only in the aircraft itself but in the system of systems they command. As nations like the US, China, Russia, and European allies race to build and deploy these next-gen aircraft, the skies of the future will be more unpredictable and more lethal than ever before. Stay tuned as we continue to follow these developments here on the channel.